Hey, cryptocurrency market team and channel audience members. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up a Stellar Lumens wallet. This is also one of the top 10 coins, so let's get right into it. Let me show you how to set up a Stellar Lumen account, a wallet. So you just type in Stellar Wallet right here. Stellar Wallet. You click the first link, which is stellar.org/lumens/wallets, and you'll see that you have multiple options to choose from. You could do desktop wallets, you could do a mobile wallets, and a web wallet. So for this example, I will do a desktop wallet, and I will actually be doing a Stellar desktop client under this one right here. So I'll click that. And as you can see, it supports Windows, Macs, or Linux. And there's a tutorial right here. This is a clickable link, which takes you to how to set this up. So it should be fairly easy to set up once I do it for you. So I'll click Get Wallet. As you can see here, it's safe and open source. And I will click this green download button right here. So once it leads you to this website, which is a GitHub website, this link is specifically github.com/stellarchat/desktop client/releases. Again, you just click download and it takes you here. I will click the OS version. So it says Linux, OS. So I'm gonna click this OS one right here. And I'm gonna wait for that one to download. Looks like it loaded and it's right here. So it popped up as a file called OSX64. I will click this one, and if you can see, there's a little Stellar Lumen sign. I will open that. The file name under it, next to it, is NWJS right here. I will click open. And voila. There you go. It pops up right here. So, Stellar is a platform that connects banks, payment systems, and people. I will create a new account. I will create an empty account right here. It will save. It's asking me for a password, so I will put in my password. Okay, so I put in my password. The secret key below gives access to your money in the unlikely case that you lose your password. With the secret key alone, anyone can retrieve your money, so please store it somewhere private and safe. So I'm not gonna show my password, but my Stellar address is right here. So it has my password right here. My Stellar address is right here, so I'll copy and paste that just for safekeeping. And it's asking me to show my key. So I'm not gonna show you what it is, but I'll record it right now. Okay, so I just clicked the show secret key button and I recorded it on in my notes. And then the next question here is, have you saved your secret key somewhere safe? And I will say yes. And there you go. This is what the wallet looks like. As you can see, there's a history. There's a trade. I could buy and sell lumens right here. There's an order book, so it is an exchange. I have a balance right here. Zero balance because it's a new account. I could send. I could put someone's address in right here, as you can see. GR, I could put anything, and then I could send the amount like 100. So going back to the send, this is how you send, but as far as your own Stellar Lumens address, you would click here on this profile, on this tab right here. And as you can see, it says it right here, my Stellar address, which is this long uh, uh, address right here. And that's the address that you would use to send to people. And that's pretty much it as far as setting up a Stellar wallet. So there's this trust tab. I'm not familiar with this, so I'm not going to explain it. And there's also an ICO tab right here, which I'm unfamiliar with, so I'm not going to explain that either. And there's also a deposit and withdraw coins. So if you want to deposit or withdraw funds, either in fiat or from other blockchains, you can use an Anchor service to do so. You'll find a selection of service providers in tabs below. Start by choosing a provider. So I do not know what this means either, but the main need to knows is that you could send via this send tab, and your address is under your account, which is stated under here. And this is what you would use. And that's pretty much it. And there you go. That's how you set up a Stellar Lumens wallet. That one is actually pretty simple to do. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get right to that. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And big shout out to the entire cryptocurrency market team. You guys are just doing an amazing job. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.